Hi, today I will tell you how to use v-lookup and extract input data directly. So in sheet 1 we have confirmation call, and in sheet 2 we have invitation list. I have sent 100 plus invitations and got few confirmation call, but job title is missing in confirmation call. So to finding the confirmation call we can use v-lookup. So before doing this, we have to merge the first name and last name in invitation list. So for merging the first name and last name, we can use concatenate. So you can see we got the first name and last name. Now we can use VLOOKUP to find the missing job title. So now you can see we got the job titles. Then paste special. So here we are. We got the company name, attending confirmations, available time, date, and job title. Thank you for watching.